Hey guys, Rick Malava here again, and I just had to record this. I resolved my issue I was having with the menus lagging, but the solution is so completely counterintuitive to me that I just had to share it with everybody. So like before, I'm in Photoshop already, and if I come over here to the File menu, you can see as fast as I can move up and down, everything works great. Now as you recall, if I came in and tried to open a file up, didn't matter if I opened 1 or 3. I opened 3 last time, but doesn't really matter. I'll open a folder up. The first thing that happened was, remember you saw the finding fonts and it sat here for 10 seconds and then finally it finished. And then the next issue was when I tried to go to menus and would move the mouse over the sub menus, there was this really annoying lag. So let's see what happens now, and then afterwards I'll show you what I did to fix it. So I hit open, and boom. First of all, I guess that finding fonts always opened up, but with the fix I made, it's so fast you never really notice it. And then the next thing is, if I come over here to the File menu and I move up and down the File menu, boom, as fast as I can move the mouse up and down. No more lag. What did I do to fix it? Get ready to hold on to your butts, guys. This has got me completely baffled what fixed it. If I come in here and I go down to my little bar down here, I don't know if you noticed before, but right now I can see through my bottom bar. And the reason I can see through my bottom bar is if I come into here and go to Personalize, and once again I got a window open and you can see I can see through the bar. That's because I have Vista's arrow turned on. So if you go to Windows Color and Appearance, I don't want that one, that version. I want to go to, oh, that's weird. That's strange. With arrow turned on, you get a different menu. When I came in here to set it up, it went to this menu. It's right here. So you can see right now I'm set up in arrow. Before, I'd switched it to Vista Basic because I was running into problems with Maya, and people were 2012, and people were saying, well, that's because Maya's performance goes down the crapper when you turn Arrow on, and all your graphics programs. I mean, Arrow just beats the crap out of your Arrow program, out of your any kind of graphics programs. And I'm sitting here thinking, why would turning Arrow on cause Photoshop's performance to actually improve? But oddly enough, when I was fiddling around turning these things on and off, going between Arrow and Basic and Classic and Standard, trying to figure out why Maya 2012 was having problems and seeing if those settings affected Maya at all, I did recall I went into Photoshop and I noticed that problem, but I didn't associate it with switching between Arrow and Basic. So apparently, just a heads up for everybody, if you want to use Photoshop and you don't want to have it lag the crap out, I don't know why. I'll have to do some more now that I know what definitely causes it to start and stop. Because before I made the video, I actually went through and I turned Basic back on, and I come in here and sure enough I have the Lago and the Lago Mayago. I'd come in here and I'd go back to Arrow, and it would be super fast, and then I'd switch it to Standard and it would lag the hell out again, and then I would switch it back to Arrow and it would be really fast. It's like Photoshop, at least on a Vista 64 machine, does not like Vista Basic, it doesn't like Vista Standard, and it doesn't like Vista Classic. So just a heads up if anybody else runs into this problem, so you don't have to bang your head against the wall for hours as I have done. I hope maybe this will help save some other people some headaches. Thanks a lot.